Hello, welcome to another guided meditation. Today we are going to do the loving kindness meditation, also known as the metta meditation. And this is a meditation that is very powerful to give you a sensation of love and kindness towards other people, towards yourself, towards a lot of other human beings that you may not even know. And so to do this meditation, you can get in a comfortable position and you may want to keep your feet flat on the floor, your back straight, or you may want to lay down. It's really up to you. You may choose to close your eyes to focus more on the feelings that you will experience and the sound of my voice. And I would like you to start by breathing in deeply and breathing out. And do this a couple of times, relaxing your whole body. And you start to become aware of feelings, sensations, inwards. You clear any thoughts that you may be having by not dwelling on any of them. Just let it flow and relax and follow my instructions. So I would like you to think of a person that you love very, very much. It may be someone from the past or the present, someone close to you, or someone who has already passed. Imagine this person standing in front of you and sending you their love. You can see them send you wishes for your safety, your happiness, and your overall well-being. You feel the energy of that emotion. You feel the warm wishes. You feel them in your skin. Feel them in your chest. It's a warm sensation that makes you feel relaxed and at peace. Let your body get immersed in those sensations of warmth and peace and love. You may want to choose another person who you love deeply and loves you back. And you may choose to think of them as sitting next to you. And there they are, happily wishing for your wellness, for your safety and happiness. And feel that electric energy coming from them, the warmth in your skin again, that kindness and that love that they are sending to you. Now imagine that you have a lot of people, all of your sides are surrounded by people who you love and who love you or have loved you. Imagine all of your friends and family and all of your loved ones all around you, sending you love, sending you happiness, sending you their wishes for your safety and health. Bask in the warm wishes and love and kindness coming from all around you. All of you is love, overflowing with warmth and kindness. Now think back to the person that you had in front of you. And I would like you to send back some of the love that you felt coming from that person. You are equals. You want the same for that person, to be happy, to be safe. And to yourself, I want you to repeat this sentence after me. May you be happy. May you be safe. May you be free from pain. May you be happy. May you be safe. May you be free from pain. May you be happy. May you be safe. May you be free from pain. Looking back to your right, to that person standing next to you, or to your left, whichever you imagine them sitting next to you, direct all of your love to that person. Send all of the warmth to them, that person that is equal to you. Just like you, that person wants to be safe and to be happy. And so, repeat after me to yourself. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy. Now think of someone that you know just a little bit, not too well, and towards whom you don't have a particular feeling. It's just neutral. This person is your equal, and both of you wish to have a good life. Send all of your good wishes to that person and repeat after me. Just as I wish to, may you also live happily and freely. Just as I wish to, may you also live happily and freely. just as I wish to. May you all also live happily and freely. Now think of another person that you don't know too well. It can be someone at work, maybe a neighbor, the mailman, someone that you've seen around but don't know too well. And just like you, this person wishes to have the same love, the same health, and the same safety in their life. Send your warmth to them. Repeat after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. Now feeling that warmth inside of you, that sensation of love and kindness towards that person, expand your awareness and picture the whole globe in front of you, as if you could hold it. And as you are holding it, send all of your warm wishes to all living beings on earth. All of the animals, humans, and other living beings who, just like you, want to be happy. And repeat after me. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, healthy, and safe. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, healthy, and safe. Just as I wish to, may you be happy, healthy, and safe. Take a deep breath in and out. And embrace that warm sensation. And as you are ready, you may open your eyes and go on about your day. See you next time. Bye.